Hello guys, welcome to my channel IT Scholar. Today we will learn about the fourth part of Basics of MS Excel in MS Office 2016, in which we will discuss about the Home tab from the tab bar section. But before we move towards our video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos and for more updates. Let's get to the video. Okay guys, today we are going to talk about the Home tab on top left corner of the main screen of MS Excel beside the File tab. This tab is used to access the ribbons in which we can edit the text, numbers and cells. The very first ribbon is called the clipboard, which is used to copying the data, cut, move and pasting the data from one place to another. There is another option called Format Painter. This option is used to copy not the data, but the format that is in the selected cell by default or by user itself and paste the same format to another data cell for getting the work done quickly. When we click this small button, a list of copied data opens on the left side. As you can see that there is the data I have copied, but not pasted it anywhere yet. But if I click any one of those copied data, it will be pasted in the selected cell. Next ribbon is Font, in which we can edit and make different changes to the text, just like changing its writing or font theme, size of the font, styling font such as bold, italic and underline. Then there is the borderline option, through which we can add borders to the cell as per our requirement. The fill color option helps to fill the selected cell with tons of different colors. Then the font color is used to change the color of the text or font. It also has so many colors, just like the fill color option. When we click this little button here, a detailed list of different options opens, in which we can edit the data as per our choice, such as number option, alignment option, font option, borders option, fill option and protection option. Then there is the alignment ribbon, which is used for the alignment of the data such as top align, middle align, bottom align, align left, align center, and align right option. It also has the orientation option, which can be used to rotate the data to any direction within the selected cell. This option is used to adjust the indents of the data. Just like if I press the left indent option, the data will be indented on the left side, just like this. And pressing the right indent will do the same thing but on the right side. The context option is used to choose the paragraph direction of the language we type. Just like if Arabic is typed, we can change its context from right to left, unlike English, which is started and also read from left to right, which is by default in MS Excel. After clicking this little button here, it will show the same list of options which was opened in the previous ribbon, which we have discussed, and also it does the same when we click the same button in the number ribbon. The wrap text option is used to wrap all the long written data in one selected cell, just like this. The merge and center option is used for merging the cells and the data in it for better presentation. The number ribbon. This ribbon allows us to make changes in the numbers we write in the sheet. It could be dates, prices, normal numbers, and etc. This is the number format option, which can change the simple numbers into different formats, such as the general format, which is given here by default. Then there are several other formats, naming number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, and text format. For more number formats, we can click here. As you can see that this is the same list of options opened which was opened in the previous ribbons, but this will automatically open the number formatting options. Then this option here is especially used for currency and also for accounting formatting. It can be used as quick access option as well rather than going into the list. This option is to add percentage format into the cell data. This format is used for comma style for the selected cell. Then these two options are used for increasing or decreasing decimals on the desired cell data. Now we come to the styles ribbon. This ribbon is used for theming the sheet or the selected cell. The first option in the ribbon is called the conditional formatting. This option is used to conditionally highlight the important values we want to be highlighted in different colors. This option may consist of different conditions such as highlight cell rules, such as greater than, less than, in between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring, duplicate values, and more rules can be used by clicking this little option in the bottom over here, just like this. Top to bottom rules include top 10 items, top 10 percentage, bottom 10 items, above average and below average options. Then in data bars, we have the gradient type color option for the cells, which could also be used for professionally beautify the cells. Same as the color scale, it is used in scaling colors of the cells. The icon format is used for adding different types of small icons for directional, shapes, indicators, ratings, and others by clicking this button. We can create a rule by clicking this option, or to clear a rule, we will click on this option, and for managing rules, we will click this option over here. Format as table option helps us to make changes in the cells or the selected range of cells. There are also some quickly accessible colors and cells styles. Let's go to the next ribbon, which is known as the cells, in which we can edit the cells as per our requirement. This ribbon includes the insert option, in which we can insert new cells, insert a new row, or insert a whole column, or inserting a whole new sheet. The same list of options goes for the delete option, which includes the opposites of the insert cell option. The format option is used for formatting the cells, such as cell size, in which height and width of rows and columns can be changed. In the visibility option, we can hide or unhide the selected row or column we want. In the organize sheet option, we can rename, move, copy, or add colors to the sheets to feel the difference. Then the protection option helps to protect the sheet by adding limitations for the viewers of the sheet or locking cells. The last ribbon is about editing. The first option is about auto sum, which is quick access option in which other formulas are also added by default, but they can be changed as well. The fill option is used for continuing a series of patterns from the cells to their neighboring cells in direction. The clear option is used for clearing, removing, or deleting any kind of formatting, contents, comments, or hyperlinks. The sort and filter option is used for sorting the data into smallest to largest, largest to smallest, or filtering specific data to be shown. Find and search option is used for finding text or any kind of written data on the whole sheet or the whole workbook. Well, that's quite a long journey we have made in the basics. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and support by liking and sharing the video. Till then, take care and meet you in the next video.